on the 29th day of June 2024, Private Birivumbuka Robert Herbertson, a soldier attached to Special Forces Command, escaped from his place of duty, that is in Mbarara, Virabwe, escaped to eastern Uganda, specifically to Iganga, but to be more specific, to Mayuge, that is Buwaya sub-county, Kabayingire village, where he went and shot 9 people, injuring 4 and killing 5. He killed the head of the family, who is his uncle, called Buyanzi Mudasi, together with 4 of his children, and injuring and inflicting heavy injuries on the rest of the children. Once he did that, he escaped back to his place of work. But it was fortunate that by the time he reached to his place of work, he had already been detected to have caused this problem in Mayuge. He was arrested and duly incarcerated for a period of time. He has been going through the unit disciplinary committee, and the unit disciplinary committee finally referred him to the division court martial. So on Monday, that's around 27, the court convened and sat in Buwaya sub-county, where he was arraigned before court together with other accomplices, one being the father and another the brother, and one whom he was doing a saloon business with. They were all tried, and yesterday a final verdict was found. And for the case of Robertson Birivumbuka, he was found guilty. First of all, he pleaded not guilty to this. But once the magistrate who tried him at first in Entebbe came and testified before court and confirmed that Private Birivumbuka accepted before the honorable court in Entebbe that he did what he did. So there was no way he could deny. So he accepted once the magistrate came in and gave the testimonies. So he later had to change his plea to plea of guilty. So it was on his own plea. It was on his own plea that he was charged. So he was found guilty of 5 counts of murder and 4 counts of attempted murder. The 5 counts of murder is for the 5 people he killed. Then the 4 counts of attempted murder are for the people he injured, the 4 people he meted serious injuries on. So finally he was sentenced and he was given a death sentence, and each of the counts went with a sentence, and all together, when you accumulate them, or when you add them together, it comes to 95 years imprisonment, which imprisonment he will serve at Luzira maximum prison. One of the people who was arraigned before court, that is Mudasi, the son, was acquitted because there was nothing pinning him even to the scene of crime. But the other 2 accomplices, the father was convicted and sentenced to 1 year imprisonment at Kirinya, and the other Medi was sentenced to 6 months. And sentences take immediate effect from 31st of October 2024. So, as UPDF, this is a very good thing for us. We first of all want to thank the joint services, legal, for giving us very good lawyers who put a spirited fight to see that this soldier really gets the right punishment. And this is a very good deterrence to some of our troops who still want to come out and do or met harm to our population. They are meant to protect the people. Now, when you turn your gun against the people, what do? The law will take its course. And as human beings, some support was extended to these families. The gentleman, Mr. Mudasi Buyinza, who died, had two families. One of the family members, the wife called Jessica, was given 13 million shillings to really help rehabilitate the family. Then the 2 million, because first of all, Jessica lost 4 children and a husband. Then the other family was given support of 2 million because she lost her husband. This is not to say we are paying them. No, we are just looking for ways as human beings to try to get them rehabilitated in this trying moment.